Alright, so there was both of the Trane XR14 heat pumps defrosting at the exact same time. And that one just shut off. Gosh. You know, I've been trying to get that for 2 full years. It happened on Tuesday, but I wasn't here. My dad recorded it. But, like, this one was super frozen. And this one was super frozen, so I fired it up. And I fired this one up. And then Claire's went out here and they're both in defrost. Gentech, fan motor, Alliance scroll. (2022) 3.5 ton. 2022 3.5 2-ton. This one has a Gentech fan motor, and this one has an LG scroll compressor. That's some more. Alright. So yeah, both of the Trane XR14 heat pumps defrosting. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.